will show you how I managed to create multiple templates on a MistikaVR. It's all do in automatically mode. Just add plus 500 frames. Then it will open the script MacroRecorder and start stitching. External stitching, waiting for the PGGUI software, then file, apply template, my stitching template for this film, apply it, and then it start generate control points, then again generate control points, and again then we'll do optimization, again generate control points, optimization, and we'll do a pause and show you when it start to save these templates and apply it. Here I did an optimization, and also we'll click everything in automatically. Okay, then again generate control points. It's my method for creating very good stitching templates. Now it will open file, then go to choose the right folder, apply it, and here he will make another name for 4500 and we'll save it. Then it will open a MistikaVR, then import template. Also it will go to the right folders with the templates, apply, and choose the templates we did right now, template, and open it. Now it will apply it. Okay, he did it, and then we need to go again, offset 500 frames, and again create a new template. Thanks for watching. Bye.